Alright, outfit for the day. Just got a regular Bape college tee. Obviously got to go with the Supreme underwear. Nice OVO hoodie. Just some black cargo pants and then a black jacket. And on top of that, we just got the Louis belt and then this Supreme box logo hat. Wearing this, it's a little uncomfortable for my ears, but I guess I could make it work. Probably go with my shadows again today. I beat the shit out of them this trip, but can't really wear my bread toes with a bright yellow hoodie. Honestly, my bread toes are pretty beat too. Like, look at these things. They're fine here, but the toe box, ooh, yeah. Coffee. Pulled up, got some Nutella crepes. It's interesting though, you gotta spread it yourself. I've never seen that. Champs-Élysées right now. It's like a big shopping street in Paris. Just up to get some macaroons. I've been driving this thing around all day, and I have to say this thing is awesome. It goes up to like 25 kilometers an hour, which is pretty fast for the sidewalk. And yeah, it's just really cool. Past the Arc de Triomphe, and I got some good shots of it, so I'll put those in right now. Yeah, this thing is awesome. You go like that to push forward. This is how you stop. It's really cool. Alright, I'm gonna make this quick because we have to go. As you know, I'm in Paris today. Today we're gonna try to go to Sacré-Cœur, which is like kind of a big like church that's at like the top of the city. It's a great place to get like views of the city. I need to get some shots there. Then from there we're probably gonna go to the Louvre just to see Mona Lisa at least. And then after that we're either gonna head to the catacombs or we're gonna do the like outlet mall that has a Gucci, Moncler, all that stuff. So we'll decide during the day. It's a beautiful day in Paris today. I did want to share a few of these with you guys. I got a few really nice shots yesterday, one of which being this one of the Arc. This one was pretty cool. And then there's one more, well, there's a few more actually, but here, this one right here. I thought this was a pretty good picture. This is of one of the statues in Paris, obviously. So yeah, today obviously I'm bringing the big camera again. Got a few different lenses in here. I need to get some shots for a little thing I'm working on. Also, this is a video camera, so I need my big camera to take pictures. bit of a story. So, we were on the train going to the outlet mall. It's a designer outlet mall, kind of like the one I went to in Munich last year, where I got my Gucci wallet. Anyways, so we're on the train. I'm getting some nice B-roll, which is like the stuff you see when I'm not talking. It's just like the music. And my camera died. Obviously, I forgot to charge it last night, so that didn't work out well. I had to do the entire thing without vlogging, which was actually fine because it's not fun. So I didn't vlog the entire thing. I got home, charged up my camera, and here we are now. So it's about 6:20 p.m. In about 40 minutes, I'm leaving to go to, tonight we're on kind of like a river boat cruise dinner thing. I don't know, we're gonna get some wine, some champagne going. Yeah, anyways, you basically sit on the boat and you look at all the sights and then you eat food, which obviously is something I enjoy. So yeah, that should be really fun tonight. I should be able to get some really good shots there for the project I'm working on, and I'll throw some into this video. So, let's go through the stuff that I bought. So I actually only bought one thing for myself and then a few other things for, you know, other reasons. But as you can see, I did it again. Right here, I did it again. So if you didn't see that, it said Moncler. Before we go through the stuff that I bought at Moncler, just go through this quick bag from Gucci. So this is actually a pair of shoes in here. They're not mine. I actually bought them for my mother. You know, gotta remember where you came from. So as you can see, bring these in here. And the one upside that I get from this, myself obviously. So one upside that I get from this, I'm actually gonna be taking the box and putting it on my wall at home. Even though it's a women's shoe, it's still a really cool design on the box. You have the Gucci there. So, and I kind of have a box collection going in my room, so that's going to go in my room. That's the only thing I kind of get out of it, besides my mother's happiness. Anyways, yeah, I bought these at the Gucci store for my mom. They really weren't, it wasn't that expensive, so nothing to be worried about. Anyways, these things are very bright at first. It's a pair of heels, I think. Yeah, it's a pair of heels. It's not like Gucci Aces or anything. Here, I'll just show you them. They're very bright. So, as we open up the box, oh my god, got some shit there. There's also these really cool dust bags. I'm probably gonna keep, I don't need to keep my mother's dust bags for her shoes. These are actually a limited edition summer spring collection. But yeah, obviously I'm not gonna spend time reviewing women's shoes. I think the bag's pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, these are the Gucci shoes I bought for my mom. Not much to say there. It's just like a pink heel, I guess, if that's what you ladies are into. And then just some Gucci floral imprint on them. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. I'm keeping the box to put in my room. I bought these for my mother. That's about that. So that was the first purchase of the day. That was before we went into Moncler. So now we'll get into this big bag that I have here from Moncler. So these in here is something else I bought from my mom. You know, she blessed up the trip to Paris, so, you know, you gotta be thankful. So yeah, as you can see, it's a really big box. Before I open it, I'll just give you a background. This is a pair, same color as those actually. This is a pair of boots. They're like rain boots. And my mom walks the dog a lot at home, so I figured, you know, we figured she could use these to walk the dog when it's like rainy and shit outside. It's basically a pair of rain boots, but they're from Moncler, so they're better. Alright, let's see here. Okay. So, as you can see, they're pink. And trust me, these will not be for everyone. These are Moncler rain boots. As you can see right there, there's the Moncler right there. Yeah. I actually thought it would be really fun if I tried them on for you guys so you could see what I'm kind of missing out on here. So I just wanted to share with everyone. This is how they look on me. I think they look really good. I'm actually considering keeping them for myself now. Oh my god, I can't get them off. So yeah, those are the two things I purchased for my mom. Moncler rain boots. They got the little thing up here. Moncler there. Not sure it would be my thing that I would buy for myself, but she was into them. So we got those, and then obviously the Gucci shoes I showed you. Now I'm gonna show you the one thing that I bought for myself. So if you watched a video, I think it was 5 videos ago, maybe 4 or 5 videos ago. It was about 6 months ago. I was in Florida. I went to the Moncler store there in Miami, and I bought a, it's like a Miami colorway winter jacket. Anyway, so I already have a Moncler winter jacket, but what I don't have is a spring jacket. I was just talking to my friends the other day about how I need like a spring jacket, like a windbreaker, because like I have jean jackets, I have vests, I have stuff like that, but I don't have like a nice zip up like spring jacket I can wear. So that's where this comes in. So I bought for myself from the Paris Moncler store this Moncler windbreaker. As you can see, Moncler right there. So yeah, obviously, you can see it. It's this dark royal blue colorway. And then, just like my other jacket, actually, it has the little lined cuffs around there. So I think this thing is absolute fire. Let me know what you guys think. Most of you will see it at school, but, you know, I have no viewers. Anyways, yeah, I think this jacket's really cool. It was a really, really good price. I'm not gonna lie. I probably wouldn't have bought it if it wasn't such a good price. I think I got it for, I want to say 400 Canadian, 350 Canadian, something around there, which is a really good price because these retail for about 800 or 900 Canadian. Anyways, yeah, this is how it looks on. It's kind of chill like that, and then you got the Moncler right there. I think it's really sick, and I really like it. So those were the purchases I bought today at the designer outlet store. So yeah, as I said, tonight we're going to be going to a river cruise. Basically, you get on a boat and you go like along the Seine River. I think it's Seine, something like that. You go along the Seine River, and then you go along the Seine River and you go underneath like the Eiffel Tower. You see that. I think you see the Arc, maybe something like that. I don't really know how it works. We're leaving in about 40 minutes to go to the thing. Maybe a little less. All right, guys, I'm heading out to go on the boat right now. I'm just gonna throw in a few shots. Like, I'm not gonna be talking or anything. I'm gonna throw in a few shots of the scenes that we can like see, and like all the scenery we can see and that shit. Because I'm not really down to bring both cameras with me for dinner.